Good morning, everyone. What's up? So today is Monday morning. I'm sorry there are a lot of noises right now in my apartment. I have my birds chirping, I have the dishwasher going, I have the washing machine going, so there's just like a ton of stuff happening right now. But I wanted to start off the vlog because, the video because I'm about to eat, so it's only fitting. My birds love to fight over the food, even though there's plenty for the both of them. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day to lose weight. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name's Molly. Make sure to subscribe, of course, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. But also, I just want to give a quick backstory. Over the past year or so, a year and a half, I have lost about 35 pounds, and I have about 20 to 25 more pounds that I want to lose. That's why I am eating to lose weight. And I love sharing recipes with you guys. I have a ton of videos. I'll leave a playlist linked down below of all of them because I know how much you guys love them, and I really want to start doing them all the time because I'm really trying to lose weight all the time, so why not just film it so that way you guys can enjoy it too. So it's about 10:30 in the morning right now. I woke up way earlier, like 6:50, but all I've had so far is water, so I'm finally like really hungry. All right, so here's the layouts that I have for breakfast this morning. It's super basic, but I recently had it at one of my favorite restaurants or like breakfast places, and I really just wanted to make it at home. So all you're gonna need is some Greek yogurt. They only have the vanilla kinds at Wegmans, but normally I would just get the plain one. Also some granola. I don't know what kind this is. My mom just gave it to me. So you're gonna need some type of granola, preferably one with less sugar. And then my mom also, shout out to mom, my mom picked some fresh blueberries recently. So these look amazing. She literally like handpicked them from a blueberry bush. So I know they're gonna be really good and really fresh. I love adding honey to it, and I cut up about 4 strawberries. Okay, I need to preface this by saying normally I would never use a plastic spoon. Literally all of my metal spoons are dirty. That's why the dishwasher is running. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Normally I would never do that. You have to always mix up Greek yogurt because it gets like so gross. Just scooping it all in there. Also, please ignore my nails. I don't know if you guys can see them, but like on camera, they honestly don't even look as bad as they do in real life. I got them done yesterday and I literally hate them so much. I'm so mad at myself because I went to a different place and they just screwed it up so badly. All right, so I have a good amount of yogurt scooped in there, and now it's just like the easiest thing ever. I'm sure you guys know how to make like a parfait, but yeah, this is pretty much just a parfait. It's super basic, but it's really good when I'm craving something sweet in the morning, which normally is not that often. I normally wake up wanting something salty, like eggs or I don't know, something else like that. But yeah, recently I've been wanting something sweet. So the honey is what really makes it. At the restaurant that I like to go to, they actually add in jam too, like a jelly, which I thought was so weird when I first heard that they were doing that, but it actually tastes really good. So now we just need to add the granola. So that's the finished breakfast. It's literally so simple and so easy to make in the mornings. This is perfect for if you're going back to school too and you're rushed in the morning. This is a great thing to do. You could also put it in a mason jar and take it to school with you. I know it's nothing like super revolutionary, amazing, never heard of before, but it's just what I've been eating recently and I've been losing weight. So it's working. I'm losing weight. Losing weight is literally just calories in versus calories out. So as long as you stay within your calories, you should be good. I love how for you guys, I made it all pretty to see. And then as soon as I start eating, I just mix it all together. This is how it really looks every single time when I'm not filming because there's no point in making it look pretty for myself. I need to get a taller tripod because this bending over thing is just, it's not my favorite. I completely forgot that I haven't had a coffee yet today. So obviously I'm gonna make myself a coffee right now. I have tons of options. I have iced coffee, I have Keurig coffee, I have oat milk, I have almond milk, I have creamer. Like there are so many options, I really am overwhelmed. But I think I'm gonna go with a hot coffee just because it takes me longer to drink and I kind of feel like just sitting at my desk with a nice hot cup of coffee. I don't understand people who don't like hot coffee because I feel like it all just depends on the vibe. Let me know down below which one you guys like better. For me, I would say I like them both equally because it just depends, you know? I don't know, but let me know down below which one you like more. So one thing, you guys, I moved into my new place in like maybe like 5 weeks or so, and I will say the one thing I'm so excited about is I'm about to have so much more counter space because, okay, ignore that pan. I swear, like, it's semi-clean. It's just like, it looks like that now. I desperately need to get new pans when I move into my new place too. There's a lot of stuff that I need to get. Anyways, that wasn't the point. The point is I'm gonna have so much more counter space in my new place. There's gonna be a little area for coffee. Look at how many K-cups I have right now, you guys. This right here is a beautiful sight. I use the Donut Shop K-cups, if you guys are wondering, just the original ones. I like these the best. I don't know, like they have all these different crazy K-cup flavors and I just never like them as much as I like the original ones. I always get questions where this mug is from. It says work, 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 work on it, and it's from Urban Outfitters. They have really good mugs. And then you guys know the drill. My fridge is a little bit messy right now, so I'm sorry about that, but I always use in my hot coffee oat milk. I had to get the original. Normally I get the like, I don't know, like no sugar or like the one that's less calories, but they do not have that one at the grocery store just because oat milk is still limited. And then I use this creamer. It's just almond milk creamer. All right, y'all, we got the goods. And now we step into my little mini office, soon to be a huge office, to get some work done. Hey guys, so you're currently sitting on top of my bird cage. For the past little bit, we're about to make lunch. But for the past little while, I have just been drinking a ton of water. I got this Starbucks cup pretty recently, like probably like a week ago from Starbucks, and it's just a matte black tumbler and it's huge and I love it. I've been drinking water out of it every day. But yeah, like I was saying, this is my second one of these, so I freaking love this thing. It keeps water cold for so long, and it was only like 20 bucks, which I think is pretty good. So yeah, basically that whole long story was just for me to say that I've been drinking water right now and it's about time for lunch. I'm really hungry. You can actually see right now how messy my apartment is. I have been cleaning a lot this morning and today and just like trying to do as much as I can. I'm actually so excited because I just got a package in from Gatorade. And I'm not working with them on this video, but I am working with them on a new video soon. And I really want to try one of these. This is the Gatorade Zero. So there's absolutely no sugar in this. You guys know I'm not working with them on this video, so I could say really whatever I wanted to, but this is so good. So I got all of these drinks right here, and then I also got a Gatorade bottle, a Gatorade towel, and like this lunchbox that says Gatorade on it. I'll probably give these two things to Fab because he already has 2 Gatorade towels, so I'm sure he'll use those. I'm just so excited to be getting a sponsorship that is like so on point with my brands, I feel like, because my brand is kind of more healthier alternatives and like exercise and things like that, which is a lot of what Gatorade stands for. Y'all can probably hear that sizzle. We are going to be making a nice chicken burger. Something that I always loved having during the summertime was like burgers by the grill. So I'm making like a healthier alternative. The only real way to make this healthier is to just watch your portions and make sure that you're using like not too much of any sauces or cheeses or things like that. So yeah, in the pan that I told you guys, I swear this thing is like clean. It just has gone through so much. I also just ordered new pots and pans online, so we will not have to deal with these in the new place. For this, all I did to cook it was put a little bit of olive oil and mostly water in here just to get it so that way it's nice and crispy, and this takes a little while. I'll show you guys the brands that I use. So this is what I'm using right now. It's just all natural premium chicken burgers. Literally the only thing in this is just chicken. So while that's cooking up, I already prepped my tomatoes. So I sliced a bunch of these because I love tomatoes, and then I also love green lettuce, so I washed this. I'm gonna be using for the cheese some sharp cheddar shredded cheese. This is my favorite kind of cheese ever. I love sharp cheddar. For the base of my burger, instead of using buns, I like to use these, which these are just bagel thins. This right here is the brand that I use. It's just like the same Thomas classic brands that makes English muffins, but they make bagel thins and I just get the plain ones. They're only 110 calories, which is really good. The first thing I'm gonna do is put a really small amount of mayo on these bagel thins. So what I added on was probably about 3/4 of a teaspoon, and the serving size is a tablespoon. My mom is calling me, but next up we of course have to add on the burger. My mom accidentally called me. I keep calling it a burger, but like, you know what I mean, the chicken patty. I like mine very well cooked, hence why it kind of looks semi-burnt. So next I add a little bit of the shredded cheese. Then I go in with the tomato slices. The only problem with this, you guys, is that it is like a really thick burger. The bagel thins can barely handle all of it, so I'm adding in all of the lettuce. And to finish it off, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Frank's Original Red Hot sauce because you guys know I cannot go without my spices because your girl loves hot sauce. Then you attempt to put the top of this on. Let me take it over here so that way you guys can see it. My birds are out to play right now. So here is a close-up of what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. All right, I'm gonna attempt to cut into it to see if that will make things better. Normally I don't, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do this for you guys. Cutting into this made it look so much better. Oh my gosh, great decision on my part. And I am about to dig in. And while I eat my amazing lunch, I'm about to watch an episode of Shameless. This is what remains of the best lunch I have ever had. There's a lot of stuff I have to get done, but for right now, I'm just gonna be drinking some water and I will catch up with you guys when it is time for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but we'll see. It's finally time for dinner, and this is a yam or a sweet potato. I think that they're interchangeable. Comment down below because I never know, because sometimes it says sweet potatoes on the sign for them and sometimes it says yams, so I never really know. First thing I'm gonna do is just peel it. This peeler is from Williams-Sonoma. It's like $1 and it's the best thing you will ever purchase if you peel potatoes a lot. I can't believe that this is the content that I'm putting up on YouTube. Oh my gosh. I finally cut up the whole yam. It took me a good while. They are so hard to cut. I don't know why. So all I did was take about a teaspoon of coconut oil and with my hands, washed hands, I mixed it all in with the sweet potatoes. That way it all evenly coated every single little piece. And my oven is already preheated to 450. So yeah, they are in there now and I will check back in with you guys in about 20 minutes. So they've been in here for, I would say, about like 12 minutes or so. They are already looking and smelling amazing. So now that they've been in the oven for a little bit, they're a little bit softer and more like, I hate to use the word sticky, but like, yeah, they are a little bit more sticky at this point. So this is when I like to add on the spices. So I love me some good garlic powder. If you know, you know. Like, garlic powder is just a game changer. So I know a lot of people don't like onion, but I love it. So I add a bunch of that on as well. I'm just taking some Himalayan pink sea salt. I crack a little bit of that on top and then I just mix this all together. I hate the fact that for my last recipe of the day, I'm literally just showing you guys a sweet potato. Like, this probably is way over the serving size. Let's be real. I'm gonna leave them in there for 20 more minutes, then check on them and kind of move them around with the spoon, and then another 15 minutes. Dinner is served. Now I'm going to have my sweet potato and just a little bit of reduced fat ketchup, and I'm gonna drink a nice glass of water while I watch this episode of Shameless. I know that all the recipes that I showed you guys today are literally so basic, but that's how I like to eat. I'm gonna end off the video here because I'm really not gonna have anything else for the whole night. I couldn't even finish my whole sweet potato, you guys, because it was so large. Like, give me a break, okay? It was really big and I could not even finish that because I was so full. One thing I always get scared of when I film these videos is people saying that I don't eat enough, but trust me, I do. I am so full and I feel good. So I'm like full, but I'm not like so full where I'm like, oh my god, I just ate a large fry and a burger, you know? But yeah, I just wanted to end off this video, and I just thought of something that I wanted to, I guess, put in this video because I just have all these random thoughts all the time and I'm just gonna start putting them in vlogs and just like random things that I've realized in life, and I feel like I should just share them with you guys. Fab is about to come home right now and it's 8:45 and I am about to have to watch him grub on some type of food. And it's so funny because when I used to, he's the first relationship that I've ever been in that's like super serious, telling you guys everything. But yeah, he's the first relationship I've been in where it's really serious. And before that, I used to always see couples and people talking about how you gain weight when you're in a relationship. And I vividly remember being like, oh my gosh, that'll never be me. Just know that now that I'm in a relationship, I completely 110,000% understand it. You get comfortable in like your situations and your surroundings with your boyfriend. Like, you just get comfortable with your significant other to the point where it's like, oh, I don't need to like go to the gym today, or like, oh, like I can have that burger, or like just little things like that where you're just like, I can have the chips instead of the apple at Panera, you know? And I just thought I would note that I just like, from an outside perspective, I never used to understand it, and now I just completely get it. It's just one of those things that I thought I would mention because maybe like if you were like me before, maybe seeing this will like help you understand it, because that is definitely a struggle of trying to lose weight when you're in a relationship. If you guys have any other type of like weight loss themed videos that you want to see, please let me know, because I definitely want to do that. Making videos is what helps me stay on track. It helps me be reliable. It's a reliability for me. Is that the right word that I'm using? My TV just changed screensavers, so that's why I did that. Speaking of, I should order a new Apple TV. I'm getting 2 TVs in my new place. I need to stop giving you guys sneak peeks and like insider info on my new place, because by the time I show it to you, no one's gonna be excited about it anymore. Except for me. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go. It's 9 o'clock and I'm not eating anything else for the rest of the night. I'm just gonna drink water. So that concludes my what I eat in a day to lose weight. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see another one of these, let me know, because I can always do more recipes and more things, so just let me know. But goodbye, I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because that would really help me out, and please leave a comment down below. You guys have no idea how much I love comments. I read every single one pretty much as soon as you guys leave it, and I try and respond to them also once I sit down at a computer and I like have time. So please leave me a comment down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.